आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Given question is the minimum number of times a fair coin needs to be tossed so that the probability of getting at least two heads is at least 0.96 is. In this question, we have to find the probability of getting at least two heads. For this, we have used Bernoulli trial method. In Bernoulli trial method, PR is equal to NCR P power R Q power n minus r. Here PR is the probability of R success in n trial, R success in n trial. In the Bernoulli trial equation, we have here P and Q. P denotes here probability of success, Q denotes here probability of failure. Now in the question we have to given here probability of getting at least two head. So P probability of success is equal to 1 by 2 for head. Probability of Q, which is failure, which is equal to 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is probability of success and this is probability of failure. Failure means when tail is come. When tail come. Now we know that in this question we have given n times a coin is tossed. N time a coin is tossed. That means if coin is tossed n time, the head comes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n times. Now for this, but in the question we have to given here probability of at least two head. That means we have to neglect here 0 or 1 because we first have getting here at least two head. So from here the required probability is equal to required probability is equal to 1 minus probability of 1 minus probability of 0. This is because here probability of 1 and probability of 0 is not count. Now we have to find value of probability 1. Putting in the Bernoulli trial equation, n c value of r is 1, p is the probability of success, r is 1, q n minus 1. Now putting the value of p and q, value of p is 1 by 2, value of q is 1 by 2 power n minus 1. After solving we know that value of nc1 is n. Now n into, here we get n into 1 by 2 power n. Now we have to find value of p0. Putting the value of p0 in n in Bernoulli trial method equation, nc0 p power 0, here is q power n minus 0. Q power n minus 0 means q power n. Now nc0 we know that 1, p0 is 1 and q power n means 1 by 2 power n, which is equal to 1 by 2 power n. Now putting all the values in the required probability, here is required probability is equal to required probability is equal to, here is 1 minus probability of 1, which is n by 2 power n minus probability this L. Now n 1 by 2 power n. Now from here taking common minus and 1 by 2 power n, here we get n plus 1. In this question we have given at least two head and the probability given is greater equal 0.96. Now solving this equation, first this 1 minus 0.96 greater or equal, here is n plus 1 divided by 2 power n. Now 1 minus 0.96 means 0.04 greater or equal n plus 1. Here n and 2 power n is the positive quantity, so we reciprocal this 2 power n, n plus 1 greater or equal 0.04 means here we put 0 point, this is going into denominator, and the value is, here we get 1 by 0.04, which is equal to 25. Now putting here 25. Now we check the value of n by putting value of n like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we put here, if we put here we put n is equal to 5. After putting n is equal to 5, we get 2 power 5, 6 is equal to here 32 by 6, which is less than 25. So condition is not satisfied. Now if we put n is equal to 6, we get here 2 power 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here we get 64 divided by 7, which is less than 25. Now we put n is equal to 7. Here 2 power 7 divided by n plus 1, 8 here. Now we get here 128 divided by 8, which is also less than 25. Now putting here n is equal to 8, 2 power 8 divided by 9. Here we get value is, here is 2 power 8. Value is 28.4 something, which is greater or equal, greater than 25. Now we know in the question we have to ask the minimum number of times a fair coin needs to be tossed at least 2 heads come. The probability and the value of n is equal to 8. This is the minimum probability which we have to ask. The number of coin we have to be tossed at least 2 heads come. n is equal to 8. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।